Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the barn out here at St. Bernard Acres. How y'all are? This is Saturday, June 29th. And I'm going to be working in the barn. It's raining. It's going to be raining later this evening. It's going to be raining tomorrow. So we're going to do a couple barn projects. One of the things I have to do is empty this whole side out. This I was going to make my studio, my YouTube studio, doing reviews on, doing videos, just having a place. So now that I have electricity in the barn, it makes it even better. So what I'm going to do is empty this out. I can have a nice 12 by 14 studio in here. And I've got, since I decided to buy that shed and bring it in here to be my house, I have a lot of material left over that I had pre-bought to build a house. Well, I can use that material to put the YouTube studio here and the canning room over there. We're going to have this whole room, you can't see it, but over there, you've seen it before, I'm sure. We're going to empty that out and rebuild that and make that the room. I'll run electric to it, obviously, and water to it. And that'll be where we do all of our canning and everything. The pantry will be in there. Yeah, so that'll be this third of the barn. Then the other third will take care of, you know, the other stuff, if you will. Once we move out here permanently, the bottom of the barn is where I'll put the tractors, the four-wheeler, all that kind of stuff. You know, that stuff belongs down in the basement of the barn. It doesn't need to be up here in my way. But I've got to empty this out. And there's a lot of wood stacked over here that's old wood that was in this barn when we bought it. And a lot of that's usable stuff. So I'm going to start sorting through that. Everything over here has to be moved. Then we can put the floor down. I have to put a floor down. This is this old barn is very uneven floors. You know, there's gaps and there's dips and all kinds of shit. And I will do away with this. I'll put 8-foot walls all the way around, put a door in it, and lighting and electric. And this will be my YouTube studio. This will be where I do all the reviews. I have got boxes. This bag is full of stuff I have to do reviews on. I got to get caught up and I got to make a nice place to do it. So, bear with me. I'll let you watch me cleaning up until the battery runs out. Because I got to set up sawhorses over there and put a, you know, sheet of OSB on it to take all this stuff up and put it on there. So I'll let you watch me have some fun here. I think what I will do, now that I'm looking at it again, I'll put the two 8-foot by 8-foot sections here. Then I will put another 8-foot by 8-foot section here. And that would bring me over to this point. That could stay open. I could run the wall up that way and across and down. Alright, that old wood that was in here, I'm going to put in beside this stuff. And that gets it out of the way. And then once I get everything moved out of here, then I can take it out. Gotta love these rough cut 4x4s. Alright, there's phase 1 complete. Everything is out of the way, so I can come in now, put the floor down, and start building 3 walls. Like I said, I'm leaving this one. I love this stuff on the wall. But, yeah, I'll get started on that in the morning, because I'm sweating like crazy. It is so humid. And I didn't, you know, we have all this billboard all wrapped around, so that stopped the breeze from blowing in here. Now I'm paying for it. But, like I say, start setting the floor joists, and this will be plenty of room. I can do live streams from in here because we're not only going to frame it all up and make it a studio, I'm going to have the internet in here. I'll hook up the bridge and the router, so I'll have internet. I can do stuff from inside here. And once we move out here, I'll probably cut a hole somewhere and put an air conditioner in. And this will be where I do my YouTube videos from, if YouTube's still around when I get done. But yeah, that's phase one complete, cleaning it out. That's the hardest of the phases, I think. I don't know if you can see how bad I'm sweating, but I'm headed back up to the cabin, wash off, get ready for the live stream tonight. So you guys hang around and watch for the part 2 of, you know, building a studio in the barn. But yeah, I like it. I think it's plenty of room. I think it's going to be great. And I'll have the height, and I can run some LED lights across the top, have a switch there, and everything will be good. This is Joe from the barn out here at St. Bernard Acres. Remember, watch for the live stream tonight. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all those things. I'm out, folks.